this question, we need to get the value of this particular product. We need to get the exact value without using a calculator. So first off, tan of negative pi over 10. Let me rewrite the question. Plus times cot of 21 pi over 10. Now, since tan is an odd function, the negative is going to come out. So this will be negative tan of pi over 10. And now look at cot of 21 pi over 10. Can I write it as 20 pi plus pi over 10? I'll explain in a minute why am I rewriting 21 pi as 20 pi plus pi. Uh, so that's the reason. The reason is, if I now segregate this, because the denominator is common, it should be given to both. So that will be 20 pi over 10 plus pi over 10. So I segregated in such a way that I get such a number which is divisible by 10. So 20 is divisible by 10. And if I do that division, that's going to come up as 2 pi plus pi over 10. And as per the reduction formula, cot of 2 pi plus pi over 10 is nothing but cot of pi over 10, right? Because that will be in quadrant 1, and in quadrant 1 all the trigonometric functions are positive. So I just rewrite it as cot of pi over 10. And cot of any angle as per the reciprocal identity is nothing but 1 over tan of that angle. So negative tan of pi over 10 remains as it is, and cot of pi over 10 will be 1 over tan of pi over tan. And evidently these two guys cancel out, and what we are left is just -1. Thank you.